Okay, story time. Okay, so how would this granite have formed? Well, I've only read the basics of the granite intrusions into Victoria, and yeah, this is fairly weathered. What we have is in the Devonian, so these are about 350 million years old. So we have the actual continent on both sides. So just represent those two fairly weathered rocks as Australia or Gondwana, and then down here we have the Salween block. So this is Van Dieland. So what they think might have happened, although the timing might be different, the Salween block might be actually a lot earlier, but this is Van Dieland come up here. So this was all just flat. Then what happened, it pushed the rock up, so it's actually formed an arch around the block. So we have mountain ranges forming around here, and we have also extension because this has actually been stretched. So when it stretches, you allow the mantle to come up, so the mantle would have actually melted under the actual crust, the bottom of the crust, and that could have moved up into where it is now, where it's been placed. So go away, flies. So that would have caused the actual magma to come up. Now whether there was an extrusion of rhyolites, we don't know. Although in the Cowbell batholith there is in the north a little small section of rhyolite, but most of our granite batholiths, we don't have any rhyolite on top of it, so it could have been just weathered away, eroded. Obviously, no, we're talking about 10 to 20 kilometers of erosion. That's my guess. Could be as small as 5 kilometers of rock on top of it being weathered away. That's just the way the process goes. And then we have this rock here that's this one, the actual feldspars seem to be quite large. Now the amphiboles and the mucus are quite small because obviously there wasn't enough accessory minerals to produce those elements, so they were actually quite small. And it's well mixed because they never had time to fractionate out. So the quartz, which crystallizes I think about 500 to 600 degrees Celsius, a little larger crystallized, but these are quite big, so obviously it's been quite a long period of time of cooling, usually about 1 million years. But if you got different ages, then it's probably different magmatic intrusions. So that's basically it. And now there's a new reference that I need to read up about batholiths being only about 5 to 10% melt, and the rest of it's crystallized structure in the first place, although at a high temperature. Okay, so igneous rock, beautiful. So that's pretty weathered. This is pretty fresh. Obviously they've excavated that out and dumped it on top of this. Nice beautiful Friday morning. Good Friday.